The buzz on bees. Exploring the world of pollinators. These little insects play a big role in our ecosystem, and in this video, we're going to take a closer look at these buzzing beauties. Bees pollinate 1/3 of the food we consume, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Our plates would be fairly empty without bees. But did you know that bees have their style of communicating? When a bee discovers a rich source of nectar, it performs a little dance to alert the other bees to its location. Isn't it amazing? However, bees are currently experiencing several issues, including habitat loss and pesticide use. We must all do our share to conserve these important pollinators. Small changes, such as planting a wildflower garden or avoiding chemicals, may have a tremendous impact on bees. And if you want to understand more about bees and how you can assist, be sure to watch the entire video. In this video, we will look at the life of bees and the significance of their pollination job. We will learn about the various varieties of bees and their behaviors, as well as how honey is made. We will also talk about the current issues that bees are experiencing and how we can help them. So sit back and enjoy the ride. There's a lot to learn about these amazing creatures. Let's begin by looking at the many varieties of bees. Honeybees, bumblebees, and solitary bees are three of the most well-known species of bees. Honeybees. The most well-known kind of bee is the honeybee. They reside in vast colonies and are in charge of honey production. The colony consists of three sorts of bees: the queen, worker bees, and drones. The queen bee is responsible for laying eggs. The worker bees take care of the hive and gather nectar, and the drones are responsible for mating with new queens. Bumblebees. Bumblebees are very well known and are commonly seen buzzing around flowers. They are bigger than honeybees and have a unique buzz. Bumblebees are vital pollinators and dwell in tiny colonies. Solitary bees. As the name implies, solitary bees live alone. They don't make honey, yet they're vital pollinators. In addition to nectar, bees gather pollen. Pollen accumulates on their legs and bodies, and some of the pollen rubs off as they fly to the next blossom, fertilizing it. This process is required for plant reproduction and the production of fruits and vegetables. Honey is produced by bees as a food supply for the colony. Honey is formed from nectar collected by bees from flowers. The nectar is stored in the hive by the bees, who then add enzymes that convert it to honey. The honey is then stored in the comb for use over the winter. Unfortunately, bees have several obstacles nowadays. Bee populations are suffering as a result of habitat loss, illness, and pesticide usage. Pesticides have the potential to harm bees and make it harder for them to locate food. We must all do our share to save bees and their habitats. We may help by establishing a wildflower garden, avoiding chemicals, and supporting groups that preserve bees. Remember, bees are responsible for every piece of fruit or vegetable you consume. So let us all do our part to conserve these important pollinators. So, did you discover anything new today? Can you think of any other interesting fact we should include? Leave them in the comments section below. We enjoy hearing from you.